Hello, my name is Pamela Cuther, and I'm an instructional specialist for secondary mathematics with Richmond Public Schools. Welcome to the Richmond Public Schools Distance Learning Modules. In this series, we will learn Grade 8 Mathematics, where we will have a different focus for each week. This week, our focus is SOL 8.14a, Evaluating Expressions. Today we will practice evaluating algebraic expressions. Before we get started, you will need a few supplies: your interactive notebook or a few sheets of paper, a pencil or other writing utensil, and the Desmos Scientific Calculator. Here are the answers to yesterday's practice problems. Please take time to check your answers and make any corrections. Before we learn our skill for today, we need to familiarize ourselves with a few vocabulary terms. Please copy the vocabulary term and definitions into your notebook. There is a definition link next to a few of the terms. We will pause to give you time to copy the information. Now we are ready to look at the instructional video, which will explain our skill for today. Before we start, please open the notes. Copy the notes and fill in the blanks as you watch the video. The video is linked in the presentation. Please come back to this presentation once you are done. Now that you've learned our skill for today, we will look at some model examples. Please copy and complete the examples in your notebook. Please feel free to jot down any information that is said throughout the explanation. Take some time to copy down model example number 1, and then we will look at the solution. Let's look at the solutions. Just like yesterday, we will have the solution presented by hand as well as the Desmos Scientific Calculator. If you look at the by hand approach, the first thing we want to do is to substitute in the values for the variable, as explained in the video. Once I substitute in those values, I want to go ahead and simplify using the order of operations. So I'm going to multiply 10 times -2, which gives me -20. And then I'm going to simplify the square root of 1/9, which is 1/3. After that, working by hand, to subtract these two numbers, I must get a common denominator, which is 3. So then I subtract -60/3 minus 1/3, which gives me -61/3. Please take some time to look at the Desmos calculator approach to see if you can get the same answer. Now, here's one for you to try on your own. Please take some time to write down the expression and simplify it. If you need help, there is a hint on the left side of the slide. Let's look at the solution. Again, when you plug in negative numbers with exponents, you want to put them in parentheses to make sure you don't make an error. After substituting in my numbers, I start simplifying, doing the cube root of -8, which is -2. I find the square of -5, which is 25. And then I plug in the -3. And of course we know subtracting a negative is the same as addition. And then I add those numbers from left to right. My final answer is 26. Please take some time to look at this done in the decimals calculator. That concludes our lesson for today. During your remaining work time, please complete the practice problems and the online practice. The answers will be in tomorrow's module. Enjoy the rest of your day and stay safe.